And that's a wrap. That ought to do it. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is about just that, videos. There's several choices once you get your video made on how you want to release it on YouTube. So let's cover that. Well, like I said, you just did this awesome killer video about whatever you want to put on YouTube. And there's now a choice that you have to make of how you want to put it on YouTube. Now, for some people, they want to just publish it right then, go straight in, right off their phone. And that's all fine and dandy. It depends on what you want out of your videos. But basically, there's three choices you have. And we'll go over those inside, and I'll show you the differences in them and discuss why one might be over the other one. Well, let's just say four choices. One of them is private, so that just you, your family, your friends can see it. You know, for keepsakes, like if you have a video you just don't want to lose, like your child when it's growing up, or you, like family home videos or whatever, you just want to put them on there and have somewhere to safely store them, then you could keep it private. Nobody can see it but you and whoever you give the link to. The second option is publish now. You sit there, you record something with your phone or your camera or whatever, and you want to put it on there right now, click publish now, and it's on for the whole world to see. The second one is a scheduled release. You can pick the day, the date, the time of when you want that video to release. So like, let's just say if you do multiple videos, 5 videos, and you want them to be one a week on Mondays at 1 o'clock. You can go in there and set it for every single Monday for 1 o'clock. It's pretty neat. The last one that you can do is what's called a premiere. And like I said, we'll discuss all these inside and see which one is better for you. Now here we are. I'm fixing to actually publish a video myself, so I thought this would be a good time to show you and explain everything I was talking about. Now right here you can see two options: publish now and schedule. Schedule is exactly what I was telling you. If you click on that, you can select when and exactly you want to publish it. You click on it, brings up the calendar. If you don't want to do it this week or this month, you can go to next month. You can just go way into the future if you want. No big deal. Select time, you know, AM, PM, whatever time. Even change the time zone you want. So I'm going to leave this one for a second and go back to the other one. Publish now, as you can see, you got several options: public, unlisted, and private. Private is only you and people you choose can see your video. Like I said, if that's like family videos, your kids growing up, you know, when they were young, you want to save their videos or save videos for your kids now that you might be doing for prosperity or posterity, whatever it's, posterity, thank you. You know, you can use this and then they can come back later on and see the video. Unlisted is anyone with the video link can see your video. Okay, so you can actually go after you click that, tell it you're done, it'll save it to your channel, and only you can view that video unless you copy the link to the video and send it to somebody. At that time they can also see it, but not until you do so. So that's three ways that you can do it. Like I said, you can schedule it, you can make it private, you can leave it unlisted. All different levels. But this is the main point of what this video is about right here. And I see it used, I'm going to just say, for lack of better terms, incorrectly. People will make it public, right? Click on public, and then they will set it as a premiere. Okay? Well, if you use set as a premiere here, it's an instant premiere. You can't set the time that you want it to be released. So you have to go into schedule. Okay? Here, you click on set as premiere and then check the time and everything. Okay? But this is the incorrect part. And the reason I say that this is the incorrect time to do it, I'm not talking about specifically, I'm talking about in manner. People will use a premiere and set a time and walk away and never come back to it until they do their next video. A premiere, what you need to understand is it gives your subscribers, your followers, your family members that's on the other side of the planet, whatever, a chance to instantly communicate with you. In other words, while this video is playing, over in the right hand side there will be a dialog box, and I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. Now first, what will happen is whenever it gets within 2 minutes, a timer will come on like such, and it'll count down. But right here is the chat box I was talking about. You could put in any kind of message that you want. And that, like I said, that gives your subscribers and your viewers or your family members, whoever, an opportunity to talk to you, because they all have the same chat box. They will have the same chat line. In other words, you can sit there and click on your cursor right there, and it will allow you to type in a 200 letter or shorter message. And then whenever you send that, the person doing the video will send one back. You can also insert smileys, but this is what makes the Premiere so handy and so valuable to creators. See that little dollar icon right there? That allows for you to do what is called super chat. In other words, if you like the content or you like the video, or if for some reason somebody's doing something special in the video, you can actually donate money to that video by clicking on that. Type in the amount and hit send. When you hit send, it goes to their PayPal, to their Google account, and then whenever they get paid from Google for doing the videos and everything, they will then receive that money. So that is a very, very valuable asset to using Premiere. But with that said, I see so many people using it wrongly, because again, it allows you to communicate with your subscribers. If you're using a Premiere and they're watching, they're trying to talk to you and you're not talking back, who is going to want to use Super Chat? If they were going to, who is going to want to use the Super Chat to donate to your channel, to help fund your channel, whatever? And here's what I'm talking about. This is a video that I did, right? And right here you can see it just come on, and you can see where I had already typed 2 messages, and then another channel came on, a great subscriber of mine, Carnation Videos, said doing pretty good, I'm watching while I'm at work. So I said, hey buddy, I said don't get caught, LOL. But that, see that, it gives you the instantly accessibility to be able to talk back and forth with your subscribers. And that is what makes the Premiere such a great asset. The main reason for doing Premieres, as you can see, interaction with your supporters. That's the whole reason for it. But again, I see so many people using it wrong, to where it could actually be beneficial to you if you would take the time, schedule it when you know you're going to be home, actually communicate with your subscribers, your family members, whoever might be watching, and they could possibly later down the road want to say, hey, you're doing a great job, here's $1, here's $5, whatever the case may be, right? All that adds back into the channel. So I strongly suggest, if you're going to do the schedule section when doing a video, do not use it as a Premiere. Do not set it as a Premiere unless you are going to be watching the video at the same time the video is released. Because if you do, you're going to have some mad people trying to communicate with you and you're not there. If you're not going to be there, then I strongly suggest unclicking the set as Premiere and just schedule it to come on. With all that said, I hope you understand. I hope you enjoyed the video, because now you have a little bit of an understanding of some of the choices that you have when posting a video that might work for you one way and might not work for somebody another way. Because let's recap. You have the private, that only you and people you choose can see your video. In other words, it'll play on your computer, and anybody that's in your household that has access to your computer that you give permission can see it. If you keep it unlisted, you can see it again, and family members in your house can see it again. But let's say you've got a family member in Hawaii and you're on the east coast of the United States or Mexico, wherever, and you want them to see something that you caught on camera, like, you know, like a baby shower or retirement anniversary, whatever, it doesn't matter. You can send them to the link. In other words, go to your video, copy the URL at the top, and send them the link right there, right? Video link. And then they too can watch the same video that you have, but only them, yourself, and somebody that's in your house. You can go public right then. In other words, if you sit here and take something on your phone or your camera, you don't want to edit it, you don't want to put a title in it, nothing. You can sit there and hit public, post it, and it's done. You can schedule an upload. You can set the day, you can set the time, you can set the time zone, and that gives you the availability to post a video when you're not home, you're not going to be up. Like if somebody, like I said, is on another part of the country or part of the world, and you want it to be in their time zone instead of your time zone, you can set it for that. Like if you're in the United States and your followers are in Japan, you don't want it going live at 2 o'clock in the morning in Japan, you want it to go 8 o'clock in Japan, you can set it for Japan's time zone, if that makes sense. The premiere is very, very important also. You can set the time, same way as the scheduled one, but it gives you the opportunity to be in the chat with your subscribers. That is the main reason for the premiere, is so you can be there with your subscribers. Because if you're not there and they're expecting you to be there, they will get mad. Ask me how I know. But anyhow, I hope you found this video useful. I hope it enlightens you a little bit on the differences between them, and get out there and enjoy your car. Because I sat there and made this little short 4-minute and 41-second video just for this video that you're watching now. So I enjoyed my car by doing this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.